Enceladus is one of the giants in the Greek mythology. He's the son of Gaia, Earth, and Uranus, Sky. He fought Athena, he lost, and he was buried under Sicily. And every time the volcano erupts is Enceladus' breath. Hello, my perfume BFF. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to do an unboxing together of the beautiful Marc-Antoine Barrois Encelade or Encelade. This is how the box looks. They say that they are not using plastic to keep it sustainable. And on the box it says imaginary jungle on the size of a volcano, green rhubarb, leather, and precious woods. Delicate power of a heroic nature. It has here a holographic stamp. Of course, it's not easy. Yeah, it worked. This will just come off. You can reuse it to reduce waste. So you can use this box to store something else. Don't want to drop it like that guy dropped the new iPhone. And it comes out. Then it sits here beautifully. It has a little leaflet. Beautiful bottle. I can already smell it from the cap. This is a powerhouse. This is the bottle, how the bottle looks. I like it. I like it a lot. Gold. Who doesn't like gold? The cap is not magnetic, but it sits here beautifully. I appreciate the sustainability aspect. I will give it a 9 out of 10 for the bottle. I will just spray one here. The sprayer is beautiful. Did you see that? Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I had a sample before. It was not a blind buy. I am crazy, but I still didn't want to blind buy this one because it's such a tricky one. Notes are rhubarb, vetiver, sandalwood, Tonka bean, and cedar. I love Tonka bean. It was calling my name. I had the sample and I was super impressed. In the beginning, I get a lot of rhubarb, and as it dries down, it gets really beautiful, and I can totally see that sunshine, and it warms up super, super nice in the heat. It's something else. It's mind-blowing. It's not mass appealing, so don't expect that you would like it at first sniff. But the dry down is magical, and I think if you spray it on paper or on clothes, it will not do it justice. It's beautiful. It also has some cleanness and some super, super powerful boss vibes. CEO from a different planet. The perfumer behind Marc-Antoine Barrois Encelade is Quentin Biche, which has created two of my favorite fragrances, Delina from Parfums de Marly and Guidance from Amouage. So I was super curious to test it. It has the same metallic vibes as Ganymede, which I have a sample of, but it's more masculine to my nose. This one is completely unisex. It's as if they took that metallic freshness from Ganymede and they combined it with a sweet rhubarb from Delina. It's not Delina. This is some CEO from another planet. CEO alien vibes. It's super unique. I would like to make this my signature scent. No one will smell like this. And it's not mass appealing. But in the same time, I think that when someone will smell this on you, you will get compliments because it is quite powerful and it has some freshness. Let's talk a little bit about the background and the name. Enceladus is one of the moons of Saturn, so that's amazing. It's supposed to be smelling like cosmos. Enceladus is covered by snow and water, and it's supposed to have a lot of earthquakes and some life, possibly. Enceladus is also one of the giants in the Greek mythology. He's the son of Gaia, Earth, and Uranus, Sky. He fought Athena, he lost, he died, and he was buried supposedly under Sicily. And every time the volcano erupts is Enceladus' breath. So that's a mind-blowing story. This is recreating the smell of an imaginary jungle at the border of a volcano. Marc-Antoine Barrois, I read in one of his interviews, he said that he was creating a fragrance for intellectuals, and he was surprised that so many teenagers are attracted to it and they see it as the new age type of perfume. It's something else. It's super powerful. Also, Marc-Antoine Barrois, he said that he wanted to send through this perfume like a smile in a bottle, optimism. He also wanted to put the two contrasting sides together with the rhubarb and the sweetness of Tonka bean with the darkness of vetiver and those woody notes. It's a molecular fragrance. It's from another level. Performance is top of the class, 10 out of 10 for sillage, 10 out of 10 for longevity. I think it's completely unisex, but it's not your typical fragrance. You have to have an open mind to like it. The story that this makes me imagine, we are already mind blown by their story with the name and the Greek mythology giants and the jungle at the edge of a volcano. But this makes me imagine something more realistic. Imagine you are walking through a refinery or a factory in the middle of the summer and the sun is shining. It's right at noon and it's so hot. And everything is completely clean. And you are walking between some metallic tanks and you feel that smell of metal warming up in the sun. And you are wearing a Tonka bean perfume and also eating some rhubarb. This has both vibes. You are the CEO of that refinery or that super high-tech factory. This is a mood booster, the confidence booster. So happy to have it. It's a masterpiece. Marc-Antoine Barrois, Encelade, 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 Encelade. I researched it, I still can't say it properly. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below which fragrance are you looking forward to trying next, or if you tried Encelade or Encelade. Wear what makes you happy, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!